Hello and welcome to the PassFab channel. If you've forgotten your Windows Administrator login password and have been locked out of your PC, it can be incredibly frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to reset your forgotten administrator password and log into your Windows computer without losing any of your data. The first method is using a password reset disk. If you created a password reset disk for your PC in the past, you can boot up to the Windows lock screen, try to log in with a wrong password, and you're going to see the option to reset forgotten password. Now, you need to plug in the USB drive and click on Reset Password. The password recovery wizard will appear and guide you through creating a new password. Enter a new password, confirm it, include a hint, and click Finish. After that, simply enter your new password at the lock screen. That's it. You've successfully regained access to your administrator account. The second method is using a professional Windows unlock tool, PassFab for WinKey. This is the best solution if you didn't create a password reset disk before getting locked out. It lets you reset the administrator password easily without formatting your system. First, download and install PassFab for WinKey using the link in the video description. You'll need to do this on a separate working computer. Launch the software, and you'll see this main screen. Have a USB flash drive ready, plug it in, and click Start. In the drop-down menu, select your USB drive and click Start Burning. The software will create a bootable disk in just a few moments. Once done, exit the app and safely eject the USB drive. Now, go to your locked PC and insert the bootable USB drive. Boot the PC into the startup menu. This varies by manufacturer, but usually involves pressing a key like F12, F10, Escape, or Delete during startup. Choose to boot from the USB flash drive. After a few moments, PassFab for WinKey will load. Select your Windows OS version from the list. Click Next, and you'll see all the user accounts on the PC. Choose the administrator account you want to reset. Then, select Reset the account password. Click Next and enter a new password. Confirm it and click Reset. Once the process is complete, reboot your PC. At the lock screen, enter your new password, and you'll be logged right back into your administrator account. And that's all there is to it. You can now log into your PC with the new admin password. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.